Hey Furies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, no Furies. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this really pretty natural makeup look. This would be like my go-to makeup look if I were to go out. I don't like doing a lot of that fancy stuff to go out. It just takes too much. But I love a natural beat, and that's exactly what I'm giving you guys today. And I want to mention it's all drugstore, okay? We love a baddie on a budget. If this is your first time here, welcome. Here we love all things makeup, beauty, and all that stuff. If this isn't your first time here, you already know the deal, sis. Every single product that I use for this look will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to check those out. I don't really list them in the videos anymore. Oh yeah, are you drinking your water? You better be drinking your water. I love you guys so much. Let's get right into the video. Alright babies, so I'm going to start off with doing my brows. This is the brow code. I believe it's the dark brown brow pencil. Like I said, everything will be in the description box for you guys. Please check that out. So first off, how are y'all doing? How you feeling? You drinking your water? Right now, fucking Instagram is down. Fucking Facebook is down. People are losing their fucking minds. Man, if YouTube go down, I don't know what a bitch might do. The star of this video, honestly, is my foundation base. Everything with my foundation base is going to be drugstore. Some stuff isn't drugstore, but the main focus is my foundation base. So let's get into it. So I'm carving out my brows with this concealer. These are honestly like the best brows I've ever done in a very long time. Like, obsessed. Definitely have to hit you guys with an updated brow routine because I've been finessing these little tiny brow hairs of mine, and you guys know I ain't got that much. I got brow hair like a plucked chicken. So yeah, so we're gonna just I cannot talk today. Just watch me do the rest of my brows and I'll come back. Now, since this is my natural makeup look, I'm going to do what I would realistically do if I was going out. So I'm just going to base my eyes with the concealer that I use to lay a foundation for my eyeshadow. So when I'm going out, literally the only eyeshadow that I wear is brown shades, specifically like contour shades, just to give my eyes a little bit of depth. This is the Jackie Aina palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills. Literally just that one shade I showed you guys is what I use for this whole eye look. I'm just going back and forth within my crease, making sure that wash of color covers my whole lid. It's very sheer, like I'm shearing the color out, but I'm making sure that you can see the shade. I don't know why I did this close up, but you guys, when I tell you I love my African American features, give me a like if you love your African American features. This is the Milk Hydro Grip. I'm just prepping my face with this. I love this primer just because of how nourishing it is. It's very hydrating. A lot of people don't like it, but I like it. This is the Revlon Candid Glow. This is Revlon's basically their tinted moisturizer. When I tell you this is like one of my top 5 tinted moisturizers that are like on my favorite list. It's so good. It's so hydrating. No strong smells. It keeps my skin very nourished, very hydrated. The only thing is their shade range is a little bit meh, but I feel like it being in the drugstore is a really, really good option to get a good tinted moisturizer. I've recently gotten back into using my beauty blender again, and I'm like, why did I leave my beauty blender? You guys, I think honestly the reason why I left beauty blenders alone is because of how hard they were to clean, but now I've learned how to clean them really easily. Let me know down below if you want a video on that. I can get them like squeaky clean. So I started back using beauty blenders, and my application has been bomb. I'm going to go in with my favorite drugstore concealer. This is the Neutrogena Radiant Cream Concealer. To me, it's very similar to the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. It's so pretty on the skin when blended out. If you have a dry under eye, this will be a perfect drugstore option for you. especially if you like minimalistic makeup. I feel like it wouldn't really work too well for a full coverage look, but if you like that minimalistic natural makeup, this is the concealer for you. It blends out literally like a dream, super affordable, and it does have like skin loving ingredients in it because you know it is Neutrogena, so it helps your under eye area and wherever you place it on your face. I feel like people think you have to spend a lot of money to get a good makeup look. Like, I always hear people constantly saying, you know, what do I need from Sephora? What do I need from here? Honestly, if you can just buckle down on a staple of products, you're good. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer to bronze my face. I love this bronzer. It is a little bit stiff to work with, so you have to use a brush. I would dip my beauty blender in there, but it doesn't really work like that. You have to like move it with a brush, but it blends out really, really nice. It's like a cream to powder formula, and it just gives me the best bronzy look. Like, I'm obsessed. I feel like this is a great drugstore option for bronzers, especially because they don't make bronzers for darker skin tones, at least not in the drugstore. So this is a great option for y'all. Now for the powder under my eyes, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Setting Powder. You guys should know how I feel about this powder. It's definitely one of my favorites. Super affordable. It's brightening. This is in the shade Banana. They do have a translucent shade, but the Banana shade is literally my favorite. The key to a perfect base is to just, you know, take your time and use light layers. As you can see, I'm not baking here. I'm being very light with the brush. I'm going to take my Maybelline Superstay and I'm going to set my bronzer, you know, just to snatch them cheekbones or whatever. Give me a little bit of color. You guys, my clips cut out. I literally finished my look with mascara and lip gloss. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know how you like the look down below. And remember, you guys, stay furious. Bye.